Did you know that nearly 45% of people feel financially unprepared for retirement? With life expectancy rising and the cost of living soaring, planning for retirement has never been more crucial. But here's the truth. No matter where you are in life, it's never too late or too early to take control of your financial future. If you're in your 20s, 30s, or even approaching your 50s, the steps you take today could shape how you spend those golden years. Let me walk you through how to build a retirement plan for the modern era, whether you're starting fresh or refining your strategy for the future of 2025 and beyond. One, understanding the new realities of retirement. Retirement is no longer just about reaching 65 and collecting your pension. It's changed. In 2024, people are living longer, and we have to plan for possibly 20, 30, or even 40 years in retirement. Inflation, healthcare costs, and longer life expectancy have completely shifted how we need to think about retirement savings. And let's not forget the impact of technology. New sectors are booming, and the rise of the gig economy has led to more unconventional career paths, making traditional retirement planning less reliable. The good news is that planning for retirement today gives you more flexibility than ever before. With the right strategies, it's not about how much money you earn right now, it's about how you manage it. 2. How much do you really need to retire comfortably? Let's dive into the big question. How much do you really need to retire? Experts suggest that you'll need about 70 to 80% of your current income to maintain your lifestyle. But there's no one-size-fits-all answer. What's more important is looking at your personal situation, your debts, assets, lifestyle expectations, and even where you plan to live. Start with estimating your annual retirement expenses. Will you own a home or rent? Do you plan to travel the world or stay close to family? Healthcare is one of the largest unknowns, so make sure you account for potential medical costs, which will only increase as you age. And here's the thing. People often underestimate how much fun costs. Your hobbies, family visits, and unexpected expenses can add up. 3. The building blocks of a solid retirement plan. Once you've figured out your financial goal, it's time to work out the mechanics of your retirement plan. The foundation of any solid retirement strategy consists of 3 key pillars: savings, investments, and passive income. 1. Savings. If you're young, max out your 401k or IRA contributions as early as possible. In 2024, the contribution limits have increased to keep up with inflation. Take advantage of employer matching programs. They're basically free money. 2. Investments. Your retirement savings should grow through smart investments. Diversification is key. Consider a mix of stocks, bonds, and real estate to ensure your portfolio can weather market volatility. 3. Passive income. Look into rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or even online businesses that can generate income while you sleep. Think about it. Every dollar you make passively during retirement is one less dollar you need to draw from your savings. 4. When should you start saving for retirement? There's a common saying, the best time to start saving was yesterday. The second best time is today. Whether you're 25, 35, or even 55, it's never too late to start planning for retirement. But the earlier you start, the more you benefit from the magic of compound interest. Even if you can only contribute a small amount right now, over time, that money will work for you. And if you're just starting in your 30s or 40s, don't panic. You can still catch up. Take advantage of catch-up contributions in your 401k and IRA and ramp up your savings as you progress in your career. 5. Staying flexible. Your plan may need to change. Planning for retirement is not a set-it-and-forget-it deal. Life happens. Maybe you'll have children later than you planned, or perhaps you'll want to start a business in your 50s. Your retirement plan needs to adapt as your life changes. Every few years, reassess your goals and adjust your strategy accordingly. Also, keep in mind that the economic landscape is constantly shifting. New investment opportunities might arise. While some industries may decline. Stay informed and adapt your portfolio when necessary. Working with a financial planner can help keep your strategy on track. Retirement may feel like a distant dream or a looming deadline, depending on where you are in life, but the most important thing to remember is that it's not about how much you make, it's about how you plan. Whether you're just starting out or fine-tuning your existing strategy, the actions you take today will shape your financial future for the better. Ready to take control of your retirement? It's time to get started.